Welcome to AutoSheet. In this video, we're going to see how you can remove rows, you can add rows, and how you can add columns and remove columns. So for this, click on Extension, go to App Script. So for now, what we are going to do, we want to remove all the blank rows and all the blank columns. So first we are going to remove it. For this, first we take function this call this add first we define sheet. Then we'll define last row. Sheet dot get last row. And okay, we have defined last rows, and then we have to define blank rows. So the blank row would be we have to get a maximum rows, all the rows. So we'll take dot max get max rows to get all the rows minus last row. Okay, so we got this. Now what we have to, okay, now we can get to remove this, delete rows, and then the last row minus blank rows. So if I do this, so it will remove rows, but it will also take this last row. So I want to add one, so now it will take it from here. So to delete this, first we want to delete all the blank rows, and it should be start from this last row, this after this row. So if I run this, see, it has successfully deleted all the blank rows. So this is how you can delete it. So just, but what I want after this, I want to add sheet dot and to add row you have to type insert row. Insert rows after last row, right? But if I run this, I'll get an error because the first code will stop here. So if I do this let's say, for example, if I add 10 rows and if I run this now, it will work. See, okay. So or you can use try and catch to make it work, but it's this will work. So right now I want to add say we'll take another function to remove this columns. We can do it directly here, or we can, okay, I'll say variable last column. Okay, so then get last column, and then variable blank columns. So it would be sheet dot get maximum columns minus last column, right? And if I want to delete it, so I'll say type sheet dot delete columns last column plus one blank columns. Now I also want to insert one column, the sheet after last column. Okay, so if I run this, it will remove all the columns and add one column here. So this is how you can perform this, add columns and remove columns here. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this will help you.